Now, according to the points that we have discussed in this chapter, let's try to do this exercise. Now, first question says find the value of, within the vertical brackets they have given you 425. Within the vertical brackets the number is given, which means this is an absolute value. So absolute value always results in a positive quantity. So 425 will give you simple plus 425, same as the question. Next says minus 618 within the vertical brackets, again the absolute value, and we know that absolute value always yields positive quantity. So minus 618, when you open up these vertical brackets, your answer is going to be plus 618. Next question, let us see this question of second part. Within the vertical brackets they have given you x, means you don't know the value of x, and they have given you number. X plus 2 will give you 24. So what number is going to come in x? So let us try to do this question over here. Now look at the solution. X you don't know, you have 2 with you and you have 24 with you. X is going to remain over here because you don't know the value. 2 will shift over here, and when you shift this number from one side to the other side, this positive changes to negative. Means when you shift anything, any number, any integer to the opposite side, the sign also becomes opposite. So over here plus is given, it will change to minus. 24 minus 2 will give you 22. So absolute value x is going to be 22. To check your answer, you can see over here that in place of x I have put 22 over here. So 22 plus 2, when you open up these vertical bars, this is going to be the positive values. 22 plus 2 is going to give you 24. LHS is equals to RHS, which is giving you same answer. Now look at question number 2, which says write these numbers in order they have given you in the question. Let's try to do second one, which is a bit complicated. Minus 181 minus 250 0 minus 5600 minus 300. You have to arrange them from greatest to smallest. So as we know that 0 is larger than any negative number, so 0 is greater than any negative number given in the question. So over here we have one positive number as well, that is 100. So greatest to smallest, so greatest number is going to be 100, first number. Then 0 is going to come, which is the next lowest number after 100. Now next we will start with the negative numbers. Now we are not left with any positive number, we will start with negative numbers. So next smallest number is minus 56. This is not the largest number, as we have already discussed that as we move backwards on the number line with negative numbers, so your largest number becomes the smallest number becomes the largest number. Minus 56 will come, then minus 181, minus 250 and minus 300.